Hello students, welcome to my class. Today I am going to take your EVS subject. In that we are going to see lesson number 2, being healthy. Being healthy. Before starting to our lesson, they have given us one warm up. First we are going to see that. Complete the following table by writing about the games you love to play. They have given one table here and we have to write the game's name that we like to play. First one they have done, name of the game is hopscotch, number of players in the game, any number, things needed for the game, open space, chalk, a small piece of flat stone, and important rule of the game, players take turns to play. Like this you have to write here two name of the games, whichever you like to play, and number of players in the game you need, things, and whatever the rule in that game is there you have to write here. Okay students, now in this lesson what we are going to see, games we play, keeping fit and good habits. Now see here, most of us play games to have fun with our friends, brothers, sisters. Playing games safely also help us to stay fit. There are many habits that we can follow to stay fit. Yes, we all like to play games. Yes, with our friends, brothers, sisters. Yes, sometimes we play with our mother, father also, right? But playing games safely also help us to stay fit. We should take care of our safety first. And playing games also helps us to stay fit. Now, first point is games we play. Now, we play some games in the open, in a park or in a playground. These are outdoor games. When we play some games in the open space, in a park, in a playground, these are outdoor games. And what are the outdoor games? Cricket, football and hockey are some outdoor games. We play some games inside a room. Means we can play these games in our home also, in our house also, in one room also. These are indoor games. We call them indoor games. Which are the indoor games? Ludo, snakes and ladders, carom and chess are some indoor games. These we can play in our home also, right? Now they have given here, did you know many games are played following different sets of rules. Now you can see here this picture, some students are playing here. So they are inside the house or outside the house? They are outside the house, right? So these are playing outdoor game, right? This girl is doing yoga or you can say exercise. Okay. Now, keeping fit. We must exercise to keep fit. We should do exercise on a daily basis. Exercise makes us feel fresh. When we do exercise makes us feel fresh. It also keeps us active and healthy. When we do exercise, it keeps us active and healthy. We should exercise in the open. We should exercise in the open. Like you can see this girl, she is out of her house, right? We can also exercise in a room with open windows and doors. Those who cannot go out of their house, they can do exercise in the room also. But we should keep our windows and doors open that time when we do exercise. Playing game is a good form of exercise. When we play game, playing game is also one kind of exercise only. Walking and jogging are also examples of exercise. Your mother, father or your elders are going for walking in the morning or in the evening, right? So that is also one kind of exercise. Many people do yoga and stay healthy. Many people nowadays they are doing yoga. Now see, this girl is also doing a yoga. That also keeps us healthy. Posture. The position of our body when we sit or stand is called posture. Now you can see this girl is standing straight. Okay, a good posture keeps our body in proper shape. When we stand or sit in a proper posture, it keeps our body also in proper shape. We should always sit and stand in a good posture. A good posture also makes us look smart. We must keep our back and shoulders straight when we sit. Whenever you sit or you stand, your shoulder should not your shoulder should be straight. We must stand and walk straight. When you are walking also, that time also you have to walk in a straight position or straight posture, right? Now, next is food and sleep. We feel tired after a day's hard work. We must relax for some time. We could read a book, watch television or listen to music to relax. Yes, when we feel tired after a day's hard work, yes, when you attend lectures whole day, so you feel tired, right? So what you can do, you must relax for some time. You should relax your body, you should relax your mind for some time. For relaxing your mind and body, what you can do, you can read a book, you can watch a television, right? In television you can watch any your favorite cartoon or listen to music, or you can simply listen to a music that relax your body and mind. But remember, watching too much television can harm the eyes. You should not watch television more than 1 hour or 1.5 hours. Then see here what they have given. Did you know we can get back pain due to poor posture? If you will not sit straight or you will not stand straight, so what will happen? Your back will start paining due to poor posture. Our body needs proper sleep. We should go to sleep early. We should also wake up early. We should try to get at least 8 hours of sleep every night. We should sleep around 10 p.m. in the night. We should go to sleep by 10 p.m. in the night, and we should get up early. And we should at least take 8 hours of sleep every night. We should not watch too much cell phones. Yes, on that all the children are now watching YouTube, listening songs, right? You should not do all these things. You should sleep early, and you should also get up early in the morning. And 8 hours we have to sleep every night. We should eat on time and eat only healthy food items like fruits, vegetables and cereals. We should also drink plenty of water. And what we have to do, we should eat on time. Whatever you are eating, we should eat on time and eat only healthy food. We should not eat junk food like pizza, burger. We should not eat all these things. It will affect our body. We should eat healthy foods like fruits, vegetables and cereals. And we should drink plenty of water. Now, good habits. What are the good habits? Good habits help us stay healthy. Here are some common good habits. See here, brush your teeth in the morning and at night. We should brush our teeth twice, one in the morning and one in the night. Take a bath every day and dry yourself thoroughly with a towel later. We should take a bath every day. We should not skip our bath. And dry yourselves with a towel. Then cover your nose with a handkerchief while sneezing. See, you can see here this picture. This boy, yes, he is covering his nose with handkerchief. Like this only you have to cover your nose while sneezing. Wash your hands before eating. Also wash your hands after using the toilet. We should wash our hands before and after eating, and whenever you use the toilet, that time also you have to wash your hands with soap and water. Speaking politely and softly, thank people who help you. We should always speak in a polite and soft manner and thank the people who help you in your daily basis. Spend less time watching television and playing video games. We should not waste our time in watching television and playing video games. You should do, but for less time. Be kind, attentive and obedient. You should be kind with everyone, attentive and obedient in the class. Whenever your father or your mother have words with you, you should be attentive and obedient that time. And in the class also you should be attentive and obedient. Whatever your teacher says, whatever your mother says, you should listen to them. Knock the door gently and ask, may I come in, before entering someone's room. Whenever you are going to anyone's room, in your house also, whenever you enter any room, you should knock the door first and you have to ask, may I come in? Okay students, I hope you all have understood in this lesson what we have learned. Being healthy, how we can keep ourselves fit by exercising, right? By playing games, by eating and sleeping well, following good habits and maintaining proper posture. Now we are going to evaluate things you know. Choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. These are the words. We have to choose the correct word and we have to fill in the blanks. Hockey is an example of a dash game, outdoor game. Then exercise keeps us dash and active, healthy and active. We need at least dash hours of sleep a day. How many hours? 8 hours. We should stand straight. We should stand straight. Now strike out the incorrect word. We must eat sweets, play sports to keep fit. Which is the incorrect word? We must eat sweets, play sports to keep fit. Incorrect is eat sweet. We must play sports to keep fit. We should have 3 hours of sleep every night. How many hours we should sleep? 8 hours. So 3 is the incorrect one. We should brush our teeth once, twice every day. How many times we should brush? Twice. So once is incorrect one. We must eat junk, healthy food. We must eat healthy food. So junk is the incorrect one. Now look at the drawings, fill in the blanks with the correct letters to complete the words. Now see this, what he is doing, he is washing hands. So washing hands, H-A-N-D-S, hands. What she is doing? She is doing exercises, right? So we'll complete the spelling of exercises. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E-S. Then getting up early. He is getting up early. So spelling of early, E-A-R-L-Y, early. Then see, all the students are attentive in the class. Being attentive in class. Then what he is doing? He is taking a bath. So spelling of bath. We have to fill the spelling of bath. Now draw lines to match correctly. Now we have to match it. We are going to use scale here. Sneezing without covering the nose is a bad habit. Then walking and jogging. Walking and jogging is a good exercise. Good posture, proper shape to our body. When we sit and stand in a proper posture, it shapes our body also. Taking a bath is a good habit. Now answer in 1 or 2 words. How do you feel after exercising? We feel fresh. How many hours of sleep do we need? We need 8 hours sleep. What kind of food should we avoid eating? We should avoid junk food. Answer in sentence. This I am going to give you in your notebook. Now tick the pictures showing good posture. He is in a good posture? Yes. So we are going to tick it. He is in a good posture? No. He is in a good posture? No. This girl is in good posture? Yes. So we are going to tick. He is in good posture? No. I hope students, you all have understood this lesson. Okay. So we are going to meet in the next lecture. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.